So I've been wanting to do a review on this particular product for a while. And while you at it, like, comment, share, subscribe. It's called the Freedom Groomer or Freedom Grooming Kit, which is a shaver. And it basically, if you're rocking a bald head, wearing the bald head style, or if you just want to shave your face, this system here will pretty much do the trick. You can also line your sideburns up, your beard, because it has an included clipper extension along with the actual shaver. You can alternate between the shaver and the clipper mechanism. And you also have the little guides to bring down a certain amount of hair if you don't want to take everything off. So, the brand is marketed as you can pretty much throw away your blades, throw away your shaving, your razors, and then you just basically this solves everything. This is the problem solver. You just buy this and you're done, right? Save all types of money on buying razors and blades. So I'll get right to it. I'll get right to the meat of it. Is it a good product? In short, yes, it is. It's good. It's a good product. I've used it several times. Am I ready to throw away my blades and razors yet? No. I still need the razors and blades. And if you're like me, I like to have a very smooth shave. So I have actually decided to keep my razors and this machine and use both, because I feel to get the best shave possible, I would need to use both. And that's what I do. I start off shaving with the razors. That's normal. I use either Mach 3 or Fusion, whatever gives me the closest shave from a razor. I use those. I'm pretty much a Gillette guy. That's the brands I like. I'll use that, and then I'll finish off with the Freedom Groomer to go back over everything. Because what the Freedom Groomer does is actually it'll get those little hairs that the razor probably can't get, or that you don't want to use a razor for, because honestly, if you're shaving, you should most likely shave, one direction. So I usually shave to the back first. I shave from front to back first. I'll shave from the like my crown of my head, my forehead area, all the way to the back of my head, to the bottom part first, and then I'll shave the other way, coming forward. And then, as a top off, that's when I'll use the Freedom Groomer. You also have an extension there that I didn't mention to cut nose hairs. If that's an issue for you. It's probably an issue for every man, I guess. I don't know how, long or short your hairs grow on your nose, but I know for myself, I'm kind of on the hairy side. So I will put the nose trimmer on at times, and maybe I'll go in there and get some of those out of the way, because if they're too long, then it could be an issue. You want to have your stuff trimmed and neat. I've used the little clipper portion before as well, to just simply line around my beard. And if you have hair, I guess you want to line like your outline, you can use it for that as well. And as I said, you can also shave your face or your head with the shaver part. Now, those are pretty much the goodies. Let me give you the bad part. The bad part is, once you order this system, what they probably don't tell you unless you read heavily into the fine print, you are now locked into a subscription. And with that subscription, meaning that every few months or so, or however they decide to send this thing to you, pending you don't change it or go in there and alter it at any time frame, you will be subscribed to their plan to get new razors on a monthly basis, or every 3 months, however you set it up. So you must be prepared for that. If not, you're going to be surprised at you being charged every month or 3 months for blades you didn't even know were coming. Replacement blades for your machine. They say you don't need to replace the machine blades that much. It depends on usage. As I tell you, I even though I do use it, I don't always use it. Sometimes I'll just shave and that's enough for me. I won't even top it off with this. Now, if I do, let's say I did it every time, that's still, to me, not enough usage to change my blades that frequently. I would suggest only changing your blades that frequently if you are actually using just this machine every single day or every other day or however frequently you use it minus blades. If you're putting more strain on your blades than, on the blades of the machine, then I'd say change it out more frequently. But I do not suggest letting them put you in a subscription. Now, what you can do to go against that, you can go in there when you set your account up, go to your account and either cancel the subscription as far as getting blades every month or 3 months automatically sent to you, and have it sent at your leisure when you're ready to get them, which I feel is the best way, because trust me, when them blades show up, you're going to see that bill and say, where did this come from? Not that it's a lot of money, but if you're watching every penny, any penny loss is going to be a lot of money to you. So now, also something I didn't mention, you have body wipes and there's a travel case, but that comes with the kit. If you buy the actual kit, that's where you get all the stuff you see in the picture there. If you don't buy the kit, then, and only buy just the razor, just the razor machine, the machine trimmer itself, then you won't get all these little perks like the travel case and the head and body wipes and all this other stuff. I got all of it because I felt it's a good thing. I'm not going to buy these other things separately, most likely. And I'll just take the perks of the current perks of having them when I get the actual kit, which I did. I have used the head and body wipes. They're pretty good. They're okay. Would I buy another pack of them? Probably not. I mean, they're like premium baby wipes, if you ask me. There's nothing big and, no big special effect to them. What's good about it is, I would say it maybe cool your head down a little bit. If your head is high or something like that. But one of the best things I say that they have in here, the sandalwood shaving cream is pretty good. It's a thick cream, and it pretty much if you say come out of the shower, now you could shave in the shower. This thing is waterproof. But if you want to do it outside of the shower, I'll deal with that first. If you use it outside of the shower, let's say you just want wet your head before shaving, they have a thing they have as a pre-shave, which is also made from sandalwood. You take that, prep yourself before getting shaved, put the sandalwood on, rub that in, massage it in, and then use the sandalwood shaving cream afterward, and then rub that in now, massage it, and then they have a mechanism which you connect to the machine that can actually massage the stuff into your scalp. If you want to do it like that, not use your hands. So you don't have to use your hands to do all this. You can apply it with your hands, then massage it into your scalp with the attachment. I've done that. It's pretty good. It lathers everything up, gets everything around, and then now you turn around, take that attachment off, and put the razor attachment on, and then just start cutting your hair. But you don't have to use that attachment with the massage attachment. If you don't want to, you don't have to. You can just rub it in with your hands normal, how you do a shave, and then just take the razor and just cut it with the machine. Cut it right off. But I recommend using the pre-shave, because the pre-shave pretty much, it will enable the razor to glide more efficiently across your head. So it's something that you definitely want to maybe use. That's something I would replace. So as far as if I ran out of that, I would definitely get another one of those or more of that, because that's actually been beneficial to my shaves. What else we got here? Oh yeah, so I want to talk about the water shaving in the shower. So shaving in the shower to me is always best, because you think about it, you're already in the shower, you know, you already, everything is warm, wet, or whatever like that. You can easily get whatever hair off of you that you need to. So say you're in the shower, now you have your pre-shave and your shaving cream available. You know, you just put that on, cut right off. There you go. But there are people that drive shave. You can actually drive shave with this thing too. I've done it. I've actually sat in my car and, you know, going somewhere, and I just felt like giving myself an extra smooth shave. And yes, right, don't do it while you're driving. Don't do this while you're driving. But when I pulled over, I just ran across real quick with the razor. And pretty much all the hair is gonna go into the machine, whatever hair it is. I mean, you're not gonna have much hair, especially if you already shaved before anyway. You're not gonna have a lot of hair all over the place. So I just went, smoothed it out real quick, and went about my way. So you can dry shave, but I believe that you get the best shave from either being in the water, being in the shower doing it, or just normal. Just, you know, wet your head and just shaving like that. But if you shave in the shower, it'll work just as fine. The water will not stop its effectiveness. It'll still do what it has to do. That's definitely a great perk right there. That's waterproof. It's waterproof. You can submerge it, whatever. I've done all of that. And even though the shaving cream is thick, it's not gonna slow it down. Like, it won't slow down the trimmer, even though. I do recommend, of course, so you wanna, you know, get some of that stuff off every now and then, rinse it, and then go back to shaving. The same way you would do like a regular razor. But no, good motor, strong motor. I didn't have any issues with the motor at all. So with that said, bottom line, get it or not, it's a personal decision, I would say, on your behalf. If you feel that you're tired of razors, but you want a nice cut, nice smooth shave, but you don't want to use razors, then fine. This kit is definitely for you. But just keep in mind, when you get it, do not select the option of refills. Make sure that you get refills on your own, unless you want it like that. If you want it like that, where they send you refills, fine. But I suggest, you know, being able to be in control on your own and not have to have them just take money out of your account when they feel like it. I was going to give you a coupon code, but I don't have one. But if I do come across one later on, I will attach it to this video. That's Freedom Grooming, Freedom Groomer review, Freedom Grooming shaving kit. And that's about all I got for now.